Hey everyone, I'm opening a mystery stack pack that I'm not sure which one it is. I'm hoping it's Sebastian. I already have Winnie the Pooh and Lucky out of these so far. I would be happy with, oh, and Dumbo. I would be happy with any of them, but I really want Sebastian or Marie. Okay, let's see which one it is. Okay, it's the Cheshire Cat one, which is this one right here. Oopsie. Sorry, we're turning in the car. It's that one. You can see it, but let me try to zoom. Okay, and I'm going to put it together and show you guys what it looks like. Here it is all put together. It's a Cheshire Cat under some trees. Super cute. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.